Welcome back, guys. In this video today, we'll go over the paid out category section inside the accounts module. To begin, open the accounts menu and select paid out category, or you can use the smart search instead. Paid out categories are used to organize and classify money that is paid out from the store or business. These categories help separate different types of payments, such as purchase, expense, payroll, rent, services, lotto, tax withdrawals, and other payment types. This makes it easier to track where money is going and also helps you keep your reports and accounting records organized. On the paid out category page, you will see a list of existing categories. The table shows details such as the category name, main category, bank, account name, and the account code. To add a new paid out category, click the Add button. The Add Category window will open. First, enter the category detail name. For example, if you're creating a category for a rent, you can enter rent. Next, select the main category. This connects the new category to a larger group, such as purchase, expense, payroll, others, profits, lotto, or withdrawals. After that, select the related account. You can search the account list if needed. For example, if this category is related to rent, you can search for rent and select the correct account. Then select the default bank if this category should be connected to a specific bank account. Once everything is entered, click Save. The category will now be added to the paid out category list and can be used when recording paid out transactions. If you need to update a category later, click the edit icon next to the category. If a category was created by mistake or is no longer needed, you could use the delete icon to remove it. You can also search to quickly find a specific category using the search button. And like other modules, you can also export the category list. This can be useful if you need to save the list, review it outside the system, or share it for accounting purposes. And that is how you use the paid out category section inside the accounts module. That's all from me today. I'll catch you guys in our next video.